Good afternoon, everyone. You may have noticed we have some excitement here in the organizing team, and we're going to have a little swap of the schedule. So I'll start with the introduction, and then we'll let you know what's going to happen. So welcome to the Cyber Week 2024 healthcare event. I want to start by thanking everyone who made the effort to attend the Cyber Week in these challenging times, especially those who made the effort and traveled here from abroad. It is not taken for granted. I'm sure you heard that before already. I also want to extend my appreciation to the Tel Aviv University and Blavatnik ICRC team, Gili, Roni, Revital, Kerry, Shira, who helped organize this event. An impressive event in the face of challenging circumstances. Well done. And a final thanks to Arik Levy from my team, who organized the panel and the event that you are going to see. My name is Tamir Goren. I am Director of Strategic Programs with the Israel National Cyber Directorate, the INCD. For those of you who are less familiar with us, we are the government agency in charge of protecting the civilian cybersphere in Israel. As you may have heard the Director General Gabi Portnoy say in the morning, our mission is to create a trustworthy and secure digital space that allows for all the advantages of a connected and prosperous world. As part of this effort, the strategic programs we have launched in areas such as aviation, maritime, transportation, and healthcare aim to create an ecosystem of innovation, which includes government entities, industry stakeholders, solution providers, and academia, domestic and international. The healthcare program is one of the youngest in our portfolio, and we are now at the stage of identifying our partners and fostering an ecosystem that will foster innovation in Israel and with international partners. This event is a great opportunity to boost the foundation of this ecosystem, create the connections, and explore collaboration opportunities. We invite anyone who is relevant to contact us after the event. Cybersecurity in healthcare in the healthcare field is a critical need for every organization in the medical sector, from healthcare providers through insurance companies, pharmaceutical companies, biotechnology and medical devices, OEMs, in order to ensure the availability of medical services, the proper operation of systems and medical equipment, the confidentiality and integrity of patient data, and compliance with regulatory regulations, the implementation of a diverse set and effective set of cyber defense strategy is required. One that uses a variety of tools to protect against external and internal threats. In recent years, and even more so since the outbreak of the corona pandemic, if you remember it, the digital world has penetrated deeply into every aspect of our lives, including the healthcare systems. This technological progress, including cloud, AI, and big data, brings many advantages. But with them, it brings new threats in the form of a significant increase in the scope of cyber attacks in the world and in health systems in particular. This wave did not spare Israel, unfortunately, which is also a target for cyber attacks. 3 significant attacks on the Israeli health system were made public in recent years. The attack on Hillel Yafe Hospital in 2021, on Ma'anei Yeshua Medical Center in 2023, and of course the attack on Ziv Medical Center during the Iron Swords War, which was attributed to Hezbollah and Iran. From intelligence reports of leading companies, it can be seen that cyber attacks are growing in both number and severity. In 2023, nearly 740 healthcare data breaches were reported in the by the US Department of Health and Human Services, and these breaches affected a record number of more than 136 million people. That's in the US alone. It is clear that if nothing changes, more unwanted records will be broken in the coming years.